If these look delicious, it's because they are, so let's make them. Preheat your oven to 375 and grab all the ingredients you see here. I'll also list them in the caption. Add that first dough sheet to a cake pan that's about 9 by 12 or similarly sized. Then set that to the side and in a bowl mix together 2 blocks of cream cheese, a cup of sugar, a tablespoon of vanilla. Mix all that up and then optional, add some ground cinnamon. No need to measure, just do what feels right. Mix that cinnamon in there and then layer that on top of the dough sheet. And then you want to add the second dough sheet on top of that. It doesn't have to be super neat, but just try to close up those edges a little bit. Come in with your melted stick of butter. Yes, the whole stick of butter. This is not a health food channel. After you put the butter on top, put some cinnamon sugar on there as well. Again, I did not measure. I just kind of sprinkled it on. This needs to go into the oven for about 30 minutes, so set yourself a timer and feel free to use that time to check out some of my other videos. I know it smells so good coming out of the oven, but please don't eat it just yet. You want to let this cool down to about room temperature so it's easy to cut into squares. You can eat them now, but I highly recommend that you pop them in the fridge once they're cut and let them be in the fridge for at least an hour, and boom, you have a delicious snack that is so easy to make at home and easy to take with you while you're out and about.